It's my great pleasure to welcome you back to another interesting tutorial on how to make payment for pending goods on 1688 shopping app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to source for your product from China and import from China to any part of the world, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about China importation business. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this interesting tutorial about 1688 shopping app, and let's see how to make payment for pending goods on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's see. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here, open my 1688 shopping app. After you open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to your profile. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to fill your pending payments. So it's going to take you right here. All the number of goods that is on pending is going to be found right here. Now, for you to make payment for the pending goods, what you need to do is simply click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment. Then enter your payment password. So payment done successful. Once the payment is successful, by the time you refresh your pending order section, it's turned to something like this for as long as if you have a single item on pending payment. So what you need to do next is to simply go back to your profile. By the time you refresh, then the product will move from pending to payment successful. So by the time I open up here, you will see that the payment has been done successful and the item move right there. From here, the supplier will ship out the item from their warehouse to my shipping address warehouse in China. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to make payments for pending goods on 1688 Chinese shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.